Today's ride is going to be a group ride. I've heard there's going to be about 15 plus people going. It's a Facebook group that I belong to, and there's a girl in that group is organising it today. We do this every month. We all meet for a breakfast. It's called the Barney Breakfast, and we then go on a ride out. So today it's away over to the sort of the west coast of Donegal. Some of the scenery we're going through today is absolutely stunning, and as you can see, the weather's not bad either. I'm actually meeting a guy here just at this end of the village here. With that in mind, I'll let you watch the rest of the video, enjoy the music that I've put to it, and I'll chime in as we go along if there's something worth talking about or something I need to point out. So with that, just sit back, enjoy the rest, and I'll speak to you later. Alright, cheers, bye. ABS kicking in. Yeah. Back again. So this is us pulling into a small fishing town called Killybegs. It's not only famous for its fishing, it's also famous apparently for its carpets and tapestries, of which some of them were made at the world's largest loom in the Donegal carpet factory. The carpets are handmade in a Turkish style, and they're known as the Donegals. But anyhow, I'll leave you here to watch the drone shots of the lovely harbour, and I'll chat to you later. This next section of the video is a section of coastal road that we did. In my opinion, it's some of the nicest coastal you'll get in the world. Well, as a lot of Ireland is, being an island obviously, you're surrounded by water. But I mean, between the weather, the coastline, these wee narrow roads that are just the width of a car, you just make it. And so I'll just leave you to watch this next bit of drone footage at Muckcross. This, Facebook friends, is why we have 40 shades of green in Ireland. The wet stuff's never far away. Even though it was a cracker day, we still get dropped on by the rain. So you always have to be prepared. Next little section, again, but a coastal road, really narrow. You actually had to pay €5 to get up and see this part of Slieve Lake, which hence there's a lot of people walking from the car park that's outside of the gates. It's actually quite a far walk. It's probably about a mile, maybe slightly more than a mile, but worth it all the same, as you'll see here in a minute whenever I put the drone up. Again, I'll leave you to enjoy the drone footage that I did of Slieve Lake. Alright, see you later. like a good old Irish traffic jam caused by the sheep. Yeah, you have to expect the unexpected when you're riding around these wee roads. So I'll leave you to listen to the rest of this and enjoy the footage.